How to create variables in Python. Creating variables. It's very easy to make variables in Python. You only need the name of the variable that you wish to name it and assign its number by using equal operator. Let's see how. First, go to terminal and type Python. Then create any variable name that you want and assign it with any number you like using equal operator. Then type another variable name and assign it with any number. Then use any basic mathematical operators for your variables. As you can see here, it works well. We also can name the variables whatever we want. Even long names would work.